Today we're going to be showing you a simple hairstyle that you could do on yourself if you had a wedding or event and needed to tie your hair up and maybe couldn't get an appointment or just didn't have time to. So this is going to be a very simple like French twist I'm going to show you. So let's get started. I'm going to spin her around so you can see from the back what we're doing. So all I'm going to do to start is just brush all of the hair back, and this is going to be a nice sleek like chic look. There's going to be no soft texture, nothing like that with this one. So we're going to go on with our brush and really brush and smooth that hair back, and we're doing that about midway up the back of the head. So not a super low pony, I'm not right down at the neckline, and I'm not way up high. We want to go somewhere kind of right in the middle for that. So now that we've gathered our hair in a ponytail, we're going to grab our fingers like this. So I have 2 fingers underneath, I have my thumb coming up on top, and we're going to just twist towards the head like this and hold those ends down. And I'm just twirling that with my hand. So you can see now we have this nice roll and we've got this little loop on top. We're going to take our French hairpin to anchor this. For the most part, we'll add some hairpins in also. So we're gonna put that in with the curved side here, facing the head first. We're gonna grasp some of the hair with the tips of the pin. Then we're going to roll it over and push that through the hair to anchor things in place. And then now we can take our regular hairpins and just anchor maybe one there, and we can twirl these ends up. I like to wrap them around my finger like that. And I'm going to take a hairpin, loop that, and we're just tucking those ends up inside so that you don't see them. And then we'll maybe take one more pin up in this side, and again I'm just looping a little bit of the hair I want to grab, flipping my pin over and pushing it into that. And there we have it. A nice, sleek, simple style that you could do to twist your hair up for an event.